been watching.
We have to do something, and we have to do it now.
Brenda Darko is a 2018 American screenplay horror film written and directed by Steven Sousman in his directorial debut. Shown as a computer screen film, it stars Colin Murray, Rebecca Rittenhouse, Betty Gabriels, Honor De Rio, Andrew Dice, Stephanie Nogueras, and Savira Windiano. This film is focused on a group of people that are friends. The hackers framing people who get hold of a first laptop and they will kill them one by one.
Are there any ICT trends showed in the films? If yes, please elaborate.
Yes, first is social media. The dangers of social media, including the potential for cyberbullying, identity theft, and manipulation. Next is cryptocurrency. The film depicts that use of cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum, as a common currency in the country.
Are there any internet threats showed? If yes, please elaborate.
Yes, there are internet threats. The primary internet threats in the film is the hackers who operates in the dark web. They can manipulate your device, personal devices, social media.
What are your key takeaways or lessons learned from the story?
Don't take something that isn't yours. If you don't want something that is not good for you or those close to you, be observant of what things are given and don't do things that can harm you, things that don't make sense.